here. Well, today's video is going to be about Susie. So far, it's been mainly me doing stuff, insulating, putting the fan and vent in, and just a lot of stuff inside. But now, Susie's really getting involved, and let's have her tell you what she's planning on and what she's done so far. Thanks for watching. Oh, Susie, I know you want to cut that other hinge. So, what are you doing this second? What's going on?
What am I doing this second?
Yeah.
I'm putting the finishing touches on the bed. I'm going to cut these hinges and apply them, and then I'll be done with the bed except for painting it.
Okay. So you are making the bed platforms now?
Yep.
And
I have another one to make.
And are they going to be identical?
The other one's going to be a little narrower.
Mm-hmm.
Got excited on making it wide.
So tell people you've been an expert carpenter for years and years, right?
Well, learning carpenter.
Yeah, right. And why do you like it so much?
Well, I like it. If you mess up, you can just get another board. If you mess up, you can take the screws out. I mean, it's not.
Right.
It's not where you can't change it.
Right. And so you finally got some tools you've been wanting, right?
Yes, I got a bunch of power tools. I'm in my heaven right here.
Right. I'll show some pictures here. So what we to the right was the camper, and we took that out today, not because we're selling it, but
right.
why did we take it out today?
We need room. We're going to do the shiplap.
Right.
And in order to paint the shiplap and not paint it on the floor, I'm going to make some sawhorses.
Right. So we spent some money today at Home Depot, didn't we?
Yeah, we would have used old 2x4s, but they were really warped.
Right. And you just don't want to get cheap plastic sawhorses.
No, I do not.
So you found something on YouTube.
Yes. This gal, I wish I could give you the link. They were really awesome because you make them and they're super sturdy, and then you can fold them up when you're done.
Right. So that always works well for us. So you've kind of taken over the garage right now. I need to get a little more heat in here, don't I?
It would be nice.
Yeah, it would be nice since it's gotten colder. But
we made a makeshift door.
Yeah, we did. Had some leftover foam, and we did that. What's your favorite tool so far?
Well, I probably use my little Ryobi drill, battery-operated drill, the most of anything. But I like the chop saw too.
Yeah.
It's fun.
We haven't used the table saw as much as we thought.
No, but it's nice to have.
Yeah. And what about pocket holes?
Yeah. Pocket holes, yeah. That's probably the funnest thing.
Right.
And now I'm getting faster at it. At first,
So Susie is now using the Craig system, and she'll be talking about that shortly. But she really likes it. And so now she's running in some screws in these pocket holes for the frame for her bed, which will also hold the porta potty and the shower. So what Susie's doing here is we're kind of verifying how this sofa is going to fit. In here is the shower pan, and so we can get a little closer to the wall over there, but we shall see. We've got this beam right here that's in the way, so that's one of those things you have to kind of watch out for. So what's going on here?
This is my bed. I think it's going to end up being your bed. It's on its side. This is the front. I made my first piano hinge.
And what goes in that box?
The shower and the toilet.
Okay.
Going in here.
And it fits perfectly.
And then I made a ledge because we're going to have a board between the two beds.
Okay.
I'm going to screw the ledge into it, take these off, turn it up, and do some more piano.
So that's been drying all night?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Looks good.
Thanks.
Think it's solid enough?
It better be.
Thank you.
At first I thought everything was so dangerous, and I read the book like 5 times, and I wore my protective gear and everything, and now I just walk over and I go, I still wear my ear protectors.
Right.
I have glasses, so.
Yeah, so. But you made a workbench?
I made a workbench on wheels that holds everything, really nice, and I keep going to Goodwill and I find little pieces of furniture that we can use, shelving, and so Goodwill's a good place for your garage furniture.
So after you get the platform, and tell us about this one, because this one's actually got, I'll just take the camera off here.
Okay.
This one is a little more involved because it's got how many lids?
4 lids. This is going to be where the shower/toilet is, well, the shower stall, and then the toilet's going to be stored in there.
Right. And the shower curtain will be dropping down.
Yes.
And then there'll be clothing and other stuff. And that far one that she's getting ready to put a hinge on down there, touch the last one, that one's going to be holding 2 big lithium batteries, the Delta 1300, or maybe 2 Delta 1300s. And
there's the granddaughter.
There's the granddaughter wanting in here. Let's stop for a second. She won't stop.
So we can have a big bed when we're done.
Spanning across the entire,
So we'll have cushions. We'll have a bunch of cushions that we can use.
Details of that we haven't figured out yet.
Yeah.
And then you have to build the
upper cabinets.
Or kind of going to be more like open shelving because we're trying to save weight.
Yeah. Upper cabinets without doors.
Yeah.
We're just going to put like lip or things
right.
across.
And then one of the things, it's not terribly hard, but it'll be a little tricky, will be the framing around the
window.
Right. And then you'll help me with getting the shiplap up, but anyway, so
yeah.
I think Susie and Charles, we're a pretty good team.
Yeah.
So we're at the point now where I'm outside, she's in here, and we're calling out to each other, I need your help in here, I need your help in here. So that works real well, and we might tease each other a lot, but teamwork, go team Moman. Yeah. So I think it's a fun project, and we're going to have a lot of fun camping. We're really, really looking forward to it.
Yes.
So any last words of wisdom for someone doing a van build or something like this?
Well, I mean, if you don't know what you're doing, you can give it a try because it's not that hard. There's like a Google University. You can learn all kinds of carpentry on Google. And that's what he did. He has
YouTube
a lot of skills that he didn't know he had. And all these years, I know I've said it before, he's like, I'm not the mechanical one, but he really
Oh, go on. No, go on. No.
if you figure out how to do it, watch Google or read a book.
Watch YouTube video.
Yeah. Watch YouTube videos. Watch how they do it, and you have not just one, but several ideas. And you pick the one you want, and you try it. If it doesn't work, you try it differently.
Yeah. And I may be sorry, but what's one more tool that you think you might need me to buy for you? Can you think of anything? Or are we pretty good?
Yeah, there was something, but I can't remember. Well, there's something you said. The drill.
Yeah, like
a drill press.
Yeah, drill press. Just because it's so hard to get those holes perfectly straight.
Whenever you drill a hole, and he used to say, "You're not straight. You're not straight," and then
I put my brace in. My first messed up brace inside the van. It was awful. So I'm gonna look on Facebook Marketplace, or they're not that expensive at Home Depot. So
yeah, and I got to figure out the Craig rip cut, how to do that.
Yeah.
Because I can drill pretty straight, but also on the next bed, I'm going to try to make it square.
Well, the van's not square, so who cares?
I know, but
right. Okay. All righty. Well, I just thought I want my viewers to see a little more of you, and they're going to because I'll be filming you doing all this work, and you're doing a great job. Thanks. All right.
You are too.
Woo!
Mutual admiration.
There we go. Wait a second.
Oh, yeah.
And?
Don't hurt yourself.
Don't hurt myself. And thanks for watching.